Hello. Thanks for coming in today. What brings you here?
Hello, I'm here for the job interview.
Great. What's your name?
My name is Michael.
How did you hear about this position?
I found it on your company's website.
Are you currently employed?
No, I'm not working at the moment.
Why are you interested in this job?
I'm impressed by your company's reputation, and I believe I'd be a great fit here.
What are your key strengths?
I'm strong at problem solving and collaborating with teams.
What's your biggest weakness?
Sometimes I spend too much time perfecting details, but I'm learning to balance it.
How do you manage stress?
I stay calm, prioritize my tasks, and tackle them step by step.
Can you share an example of a challenge you've overcome?
Once, I had a last-minute project with a tight deadline. I organized a plan and delivered it on time.
Why did you leave your previous job?
I wanted to explore new opportunities to grow professionally.
Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
I like to be in a leadership role, making a bigger impact in the company.
How do you collaborate with others?
I communicate openly, listen to ideas, and focus on team success.
Can you handle working under pressure?
Yes, I stay focused and productive even in tough situations.
What drives you?
I'm motivated by hitting targets and picking up new skills.
How do you prioritize your workload?
I list my tasks and tackle the most critical ones first.
Do you have experience in this industry?
Yes, I worked in this field for 3 years.
How do you respond to feedback?
I take it seriously and use it to improve my performance.
Are you good at solving problems?
Yes, I analyze the issue and test solutions until it's resolved.
What do you know about our company?
I know you're a leader in innovative solutions and customer service.
How do you keep yourself organized?
I rely on a planner and task list to stay on track.
Why should we choose you for this role?
I'm dedicated, quick to learn, and ready to contribute.
Are you open to traveling for work?
Yes, I'm fine with travel if it's required.
Can you handle long hours?
Absolutely. I'm willing to put in the time when needed.
How do you deal with difficult colleagues?
I stay patient and try to see their perspective to find common ground.
Can you work independently?
Yes, I'm self-motivated and can manage my responsibilities alone.
What are your career aspirations?
I want to advance my skills and take on more leadership roles.
How do you pick up new skills?
I take online courses and practice them hands-on.
What's your ideal workplace like?
I thrive in a supportive, team-oriented environment.
How do you keep yourself motivated?
I set achievable goals and celebrate the wins along the way.
What do you enjoy doing outside of work?
I like hiking and reading history books.
Do you have any questions for us?
Yes, I'd love to ask a few. May I?
Of course, go ahead.
Could you tell me more about the team I'd be joining?
Nods.
Is there potential for growth in this position?
Yes, we offer paths for advancement.
Will there be training provided?
Absolutely, we train all new hires.
Do you collaborate with multiple teams in this role?
Yes, teamwork across departments is common here.
That's all I have for now.
I think you'd be a great fit. Congratulations, you got the job.
Thank you so much. I do have a couple questions about the role, though. May I ask?
Sure, what's on your mind?
Is this a full-time position?
Yes, it's full-time.
What are the working hours?
Monday to Friday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m.
What's the salary?
It's $85,000 per year.
That sounds fantastic. When can I start?
How about next Monday? Be here by 9 a.m.
Perfect. I'll be there on time.
Looking forward to seeing you then.
Thanks again.